Yeah, it's been a while. There's been a lot of changes. This is definitely new. Yeah. This has been... Oh, didn't even fucking put the key in. So it's been a while. Haven't driven her ever since I got her back from the shop. Would love that on, but put that on. Thank God for heated steering wheel, because it was actually pretty nice these couple days, and then the next thing you know, fucking weather changes. Awesome. So yes, I am now running full MHD. Better fucking start. Yeah, you're upset at me. You're freezing. So yes, been a bunch of changes to the car. Probably for the last, what, 8 months, you haven't seen me. Been pretty busy. A lot of work, not a lot of going out, to be honest with you. I haven't really gone to a meet in a while. Maybe the last meet I went to was probably around the same time that I dropped the last video. Probably like the last time I went to a meet. Yeah, so my boy lost that. Ever since my boy lost his M3, I just never really gone to any meets because I don't know. Don't really know. It's a good question why I never went. Yeah. So I got something to go pick up. I'm gonna wash the car, and I'm gonna give you guys a couple clips, sound clips, POV, some POV clips. That sounds pretty nice. I bought that thing and I used it like once in a blue. Yeah, it's on the zip tie because the mount that it comes with is just absolutely terrible. But I will see you guys in a bit. I fucking overboosted. I didn't think about that. I did not think about that at all. That was some weird ass shit. I thought I logged it. I think I logged it, it would have been a lot better. Cause I would have actually really knew what the fuck I had. I thought I saved that log on those codes. I thought I saved that. Yes. That's what we're gonna do. She got a few imperfections, but I still need to get a spoiler. I feel like it feels bald without one. Still didn't fix that. I've been lacking. She barely gets driven. She needs another paint correction, another paint job, which is probably going to be coming soon. She looks good. She looks good clean. I like when she's clean. And then you come back in here. It's been a while since I cleaned that shit. Barely even warmed up. All right, I'm gonna get you guys a couple sound clips of it. Oh, battery's gonna die. Oh, let's see if I get one good pull. I ain't gonna do that. Like, they just brought it all right in front of you. Like, what the fuck? Overboost. I felt that shit.